So this is a live demonstration of a new AI website. The website is called Illustroke.com. Illustroke.com. Now initially I was having a look at the website. It seems pretty basic, straightforward, just straight to the point. There's no hype or glam-sham around it. Initially, you don't get any tokens, so that was a bit of a downer because I think some websites they do give you free tokens to test out the service. What you can do is you can contact them via their social pages, such as Twitter, and you can request a welcome bonus. So in this case, I've got a welcome bonus of 3 tokens. So what this website does, it gives you or generates vector illustrations from text prompts. So you can create illustrations, logos, and icons in seconds. So let's give it a try. So you've got your instructions here for your prompts. You're not supposed to add any style related text to the prompt. So what I wanted to do was just create a simple download button. So what I'm looking for is a simple button with maybe rounded edges, nice coloring, gradient, with the word download on it, which I can use for a banner ad. So I'm going to click on create. So that was giving us options for the styling. We've got common black and white, logo, and icons, artist, tattoo. I'm going to click on logo geometric. Okay. On this screen, it's asking us to select whether we want black and white or color. So I'm going to click on the full colored version. There's also advanced settings there. I'm just going to click on continue. Now, as I want a button, I want it to have a transparent background, but it's not giving that option, so we have to do the white background. Hopefully we can remove the background. So I'm going to click on generate and it's going to use up 1 token. Now seeing that I've only got 3 tokens left, hopefully this should be okay. And we're just waiting for the AI to generate a download button, hopefully. Okay, so it's given us 3 different vectors, and in all honesty I don't actually like any of them, because what I was expecting was a button like this try request again button, a simple button with text on it. The closest one to it would probably be this one here. This one's got a misspelling, says download. This one doesn't actually say download and it's got some random text. This one says DOOWLOAID, DOOWLOAID. So yeah, that's not really good then. So I've noticed it with most AI tools is that they can't get text drawn right. You could ask it to draw a 2-letter word and it'll get it wrong. So that's not very good. Let's go download this one. Okay, I'm going to try it again and see if we can this time get some kind of portrait or an animal. So I'll just put in a lion using a computer for business. I'll click on create. And again, let's choose a different style. And click on realism. Click on continue. Click on the isolated object and then click on continue. I've got 2 tokens left, so let's see what this one generates. Now the generation time seems quite long for a simple vector because it's not generating, for example, a mid-journey style realistic image. It's just a small vector image of icon. Now this seems more reasonable. So what we wanted was a lion using a computer for business. Now they are what they say that they would give you is that they are simple vectors. The first one seems pretty decent, although the image is very basic. Second one is alright. I mean, it's a bit more clearer. The third one, I mean, there's a lion on the computer, but it's not really what I wanted. So I think the second one was quite good. So you could use this as an icon, you could use it as part of a logo, so that'd be quite good. So for the last token, I'm going to see if I can create some variations. Of the one that actually was decent. So this is going to take up one token, which is my last token, and it should generate 3 more illustrations based on the one that I selected. Now, to be honest, these are actually better. You've got a better color scheme. The images are a lot clearer. There's less distortion, and we have got what we wanted, which is a lion using a computer for business. So the best one for me is probably the last one here. You could use that as part of a logo easily. We look at pricing options. So this is information about how to get your free tokens. You can get 50 tokens for $6. But in all honesty, seeing that a lot of the generations are not going to be ones that you want. I mean, you do get 3 variations per generation. However, I mean, it's still a bit risky. So you're going to be using up a lot of those tokens just for like experimenting with different prompts and experimenting with styles. There should really be like a free preview option, I think. 200 tokens for 18. So in this one you're getting like 50 tokens free. So that's pretty decent. So would I use this? Personally, I don't think I'll be using it, because in terms of like getting vectors, you can find a lot of options on Google Images and PNG websites. You can get free transparent PNGs and just modify them yourself. And there are other AI websites where you could then import your PNG and ask you to make variations based on that. So this website is called Illustroke.com. I mean, if you're happy paying $6 for 50 tokens, you saw that the generations were quite decent after the second, third attempt. So it's really up to yourself. If you have a look at the other designs, no designs are found. Collections, these are just my own. Yeah, so unlike some other websites, they don't share creations from other people. So anything that you generate is kept private, which is a good thing. But they should offer you the option of sharing what you've created. Okay, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, drop me a subscribe or a like and share this video.